Students, today we are going to start our second session of our topic. The name of our topic is the self-management skills. So, this is the second unit and it consists of the two sessions. Like first session is the self-management and its techniques, and second one is the ability to work independently. So now today we are going to start our second session, that is the ability to work independently. People use different methods to accomplish a task. So there are various group of peoples, and all the peoples work independently for the achieving of their task. So now let's start with our session, that ability to work independently. The capacity to work on your own is an important asset. So working independently in the absence of any outside matter can be extremely benefit for an individual. So the meaning of an independent learning or an independent person means an independent person is aware of his feelings and characters, and it also observes and evaluates his behavior and corrects his mistakes. He also knows that what he needs to do. So an independent person take the initiative rather than being told what to do. So this picture shows that if we can work independently, we can easily achieve our targets. So this is a quote which is related with the independent learning, is that surely the teacher is a redundant instead of an imparter of knowledge. So the teacher becomes a facilitator of our learning. Why? Because it can provide the various type of knowledge to the various types of peoples. So now this is a picture which shows that a person is sitting individual and he can think his own dreams and goals. So now our next topic in the ability to work independently is advantages of working independently. It consists of the various steps like boost self-confidence, makes the person self-reliant, make the person emotionally independent, and helps in making a independent decisions. We can also easily achieve our task. So brings out the best in a person is a very important advantages of working independently. So there are the various types of skills are required to work independently. Like our first skill is a self motivation. Self motivation means to motivate yourself toward your goals, towards your aim in life. Second one is the organizational goal and the skills. This is the another important skill that a person need to have. He can also organize his task in a manner that best suits to him, so he can also achieve his objective be on the time. So organizational skills is very important role in each and individual life. Third one is the multitasking skill. Multitasking means we have a multiple type of skills in ourselves. So multitasking ability is a must have a skill for an independent person. A person who works alone should be able to handle multiple tasks at the same time if he or she need it. Fourth skill required is the discipline. Discipline plays a very important role in today's life. Our next skill is the communication skills. So it is very required that we have a good communication skills to command on others people. Our last skill required is the resourcefulness. There are the various types of resources which are needed for an independent person. Now our next topic is the how to become a self-reliant. So we want to aware of the benefits of a being independent. So let us look at how you can become a self-reliant. So there are the various keys for a self-reliant. Our first one is the self-awareness. then self motivation, and then self regulation. Our first one is the self awareness. Self awareness means being aware of your personality, your strength, your weakness, your opportunities, your motivation level, etc. Second one is the self motivation. Motivation plays a very important role in all the life. So self motivation drives a person to accomplish the task. And last one is the self regulation. Here regulation means to understand and manage your reaction at the time of thinking happening around you. So self regulation includes making of rules, regulations, policies in your life. So dear students, these are the subtopics which is related with the ability to work independently. So stay at home, don't go outside. Have a nice day. Thank you.